Hey guys, Mystic313 here. This is gonna be another it's gonna be our daily incense video. Let me just throw at these grass types real quick because I do need to catch 6 more. Wow, look at me, can't count. 6 more grass types, 5 more after this for a field research task. Okay. Well, we were gonna do our daily incense. We still are. It's just I didn't want to wanted to get the daily incense so I can show you guys what happens if you guys are below 30 Pokeballs altogether. What's this? A licky tongue? 581. I have no idea if that's good, bad. But no, if you guys know, let me know in the comments. But yeah. So let's IB check this while I got you guys. Garbage, but okay. Let's get ready to pop that incense. At 3, 2, 1, go. We're gonna grab this grass type right here because it's a grass type, but I need grass types right now for field research or not. Okay. All right, we're gonna skip off on that. Magikarp is our first spawn of the inset. It is not shiny, and I have no idea what the 100% is off in the wild or off incense. I do know that during the season and mostly every other season, I believe this season it's catch 7 Pokemon, and the reward will be a Magikarp. That is going to be for the 100% IVs from research is 117, but it might also be a 98. So if you guys see 117, and it's not a hundo, it will be a 98%. I did get a 116 just recently, and that was a 98%. So, I'm not 100% sure if that's actually true. If you get a 117, is it guaranteed to be 100% IV Magikarp from research, or does it have the chance of being a 98%? Sorry, guys. I'm out walking right now. I'm actually on my way to my son's game right now, so I figured it'd be a perfect time to do the daily inset before I have to get on before I have to turn down on the road that has literally near no sidewalks. So yes, I am walking to my son's game. I will be careful, guys. Yeah, we had some pretty good grabs today. Those will be available later or even tomorrow. We do have these executes. I still want them golden eggs during the Alola to Alola season. I did get the shiny Alolan Executor in the wild, but I have not gotten the shiny execute eggs, as they call them, the golden eggs. Nose pass, that's another shiny that I do not have. So hopefully, I know I'll get it, but with nose pass being not a common spawn, except for on daily incense or even on main incense. Unless it comes back to like 1-star raids or something, we're most likely gonna have to wait to get that shiny nose pass, and shiny nose pass family too, Probo pass. So we'll see. I did get our 10 grass type done. We'll get that 500 Stardust. Okay. This is a shiny I don't have either. Still don't, but I don't need it because I don't need the grass types anymore. Yeah, my phone's acting all up, huh, guys? But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have had a problem with the daily incense after the recent update. Yeah, King Heracross 9202 actually, after it updated yesterday, he's had a problem. He's been able to do the daily incense, but after the fact, the game has crashed. So hopefully that does not happen to us. But we'll see. You know, we're only like a little over 5 minutes into our incense. Team Mystic, we can post up in here. I'm gonna put this Licky Tongue, this crappy Licky Tongue IV, Clefairy, not shiny, which is fine because I already have that whole family. Give me that nice go. We did an Anna Berry. Because if you guys don't know, if you're new players, the berries, so normal grass gets the Pokemon excited. And then Nana Berry gets the Pokemon like confused. And then Pineapple Berry get you ×2 candy. Oh, a huge Slugma. Look at that. And Golden Raspberry gets the Pokemon like really excited. That's a big thing right there. Let's see. We're gonna grab that Swinub under that. Even though if we don't get it, alright, well, not shiny. Not really worried about Swinub shiny anymore because we did just have that Swinub Comday Classic a couple weekends ago. But yeah, let me know let me know, guys. Are you guys ready for the Finnegan Community Day? And that new shiny, the Finnegan family shiny is such a clean shiny. I'm gonna go for at least 3 so I can complete the family lineup. But if I obviously if I get more, I ain't gonna be upset. But I at least want 3. So, and I will be doing a small video of that because we don't want to do like 3.5 hours of a video because for me that's way too long. So we might do like a half an hour to an hour video. Probably not even that. Our Pokemon storage is full. Alright, so we're gonna manage quite a bit here. We're gonna do this. Yeah, 31. For right now, that's 36 is what we're doing. We probably just missed. Nope. Ooh, dude, a Lapper. Oh, that's a Zorua. How much you want that? Ugh. That's my buddy disguised as a Zorua. How much you guys want that? No, it might actually be a Lapras because I don't have Lapras as my buddy. So we need to catch this before, because I think this is actually a Lapras here. I completely forgot that Lapras wasn't my buddy. Ah, come on, man. Because I have no idea what the 100% is in the wild. So Alright, so it is a Lapras. Let's see how the IVs are. Drowsy. That's a shiny family they don't have either. And we're not going to start today. Great, thank you. It is what it is. I'm not really getting upset. It's all RNG anyways. But that is a very solid, clean, shiny family as well. The duck. Can't have an incense without the duck on it. Let's go. Ducklet caught. Let's go. We're gonna check this meow. That's not shiny. So we're gonna probably gonna, after these 3 cards, we're probably gonna cross. Okay, Banary, not shiny, which is perfectly fine because I could use no more shinies of that. I could use a Shundo, so. Yep, so we made it across safely. So we're gonna keep doing our daily. Literally got 5 minutes, so by the time we get to Robert's baseball game, the daily inset should be done. So that's a Zorua right there. My buddy is Sylveon, so I'm pretty sure it's a Zorua. Because you ain't gonna see a wild Sylveon in the wild, ever. Yep, Zorua, thank you. I'm on the fence about Zorua because when it came to the game, it did completely almost kill Pokemon Go the way it came in. Caterpie on the inside. Let me check what other Pokemon. Okay, yeah. So, alright, so 1. Okay, good. So, the only problem is with going this way. There's a lot of Pokestops and gyms on the way down, but majority of them are in the location where I can't reach them. Another Drowsy on the inside, not shiny. Level 1. Alright, so this is a yellow gym. That Go Battle League task is gonna have to wait until after midnight. I did do all my GBL battles for today. So yeah. There's gonna be a video coming out later, or even a short, with an involvement Pokemon that not a lot of people have, unless they have, not a lot of people have, let's keep it at that, so it does not spoil the video surprise. So we got 2 minutes and 36 seconds, 34 now, of course Caterpie, not shiny, so that's one shiny family that I do have, but I'm missing Caterpie. And the Butterfree shiny is the Butterfree shiny of that family is the costume Butterfree. So I'm still counting it unless I get 2 shiny Caterpies, then I'll evolve it and get a normal Butterfree. But I like costume shinies. That's kind of my thing. So especially like the Go Fast ones, but yeah, unfortunately I didn't get any of the Pikachu's, the costume A or Ben shiny. I got a ton of the actual ones, but I didn't get any of the shinies. I don't think they were boosted for the global event. I know they were boosted for the Las Vegas tour. So yeah, and thanks to everyone on my friends list that did send me the Primal Kyogre and Primal Groudons. I was able to successfully get in Megden Primal Reversion, both of them. So thank you for everyone on my friends list that sent me them during the Halloween tour, global, and some sent me some during the Las Vegas. So thank you. And one last Pokemon on the inset is a Drowsy, not shiny. Let's go.
18 minutes, 41 seconds.
So yeah, it is 6:01, so I will be probably 5 minutes late to Robert's game, which is perfectly fine because look at that, 22 Pokemon on the daily inset. Let's go. Yeah, with that being said, this is the end of this video. With that, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button, smash the subscribe, and let me know if you guys are ready for the Master Ball. I will be doing a video about that probably tomorrow, and I will be also talking about the Shadow Raids. But yeah, until then, you guys